again, and today I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful place very close to Kasoa. I'm going to be meeting a YouTuber friend from Takoradi. His channel's name is Cautious Online. I know you're going to enjoy this video, so kindly hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come along with me. So I'm here with Cautious from Cautious Online, and we're about to hike the biggest mountain or hill. I don't even know.
I am coming to do something I have never done before in my life.
Same. You've never hiked before?
No, not at all.
All the best. I think you're going to enjoy it though. So let's go. So this is quite an unconventional hike because usually when you're hiking, there's bush everywhere and you're just walking through a path, but this place actually is very developed, and so we're going to hike with buildings around. I mean, that means we're safe, right? This place used to be a cemetery.
Yeah.
So the whole hill was a cemetery?
Yeah.
Interesting.
We're going to do Tomefa.
Tomefa.
Yes, that's the island name, Tomefa.
That's where the hilltop is?
Yeah, that's it's called Tomefa.
Okay.
Why?
The Tomefa is an Ewe.
Yeah, Tomefa is an Ewe.
So the people that live there are Ewes?
Mostly because they are fishermen and other stuff there.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Who told you? I know. Is it a truthful information?
Yes, because I've been there some people. I shot the film there before.
You saw the film there before?
Yes, that was 2010.
We've been walking for a while now. We walked from all the way down there, and now we're going up there. And that's where all the beautiful views are. So fingers crossed. I hope it's not going to be like an hour hike because we can't walk that long. It's just too far. Imagine walking up and down this hill every day. Look at my legs. They'll be sexy. I have to come and live here. I have those athlete legs and all, you know. This is not a final destination, but we are already seeing the lake and it looks so pretty. Don't you think so?
Ah.
You want to end here?
No, not at all.
Good.
We've not reached our final destination.
Because you'd be a baby.
This place is nice, but it's not a perfect spot to see the lake. So Sika is suggesting we go all the way up there. I'm so tired.
This is probably the most beautiful part of Kasoa I've ever seen. It's super beautiful. Gosh, don't you think so? My heart.
This is the Wager Lake. This is so amazing.
Yeah. And look at the islands over there.
Two, actually.
2 islands, yeah. And actually, that place is a whole township on its own. There's a school there, there's a hospital there, and yes, there. My mom told me this story, and from the people from that town take a canoe to school, and they take a canoe back home and a canoe to the hospital and all of that. So they literally live on the water.
Can we go see it?
I mean, do you have a canoe?
No.
So yeah, no, we can't.
Or we can fly.
Yeah, we can fly.
Finally we made it, yeah. 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 They call me an animal, 'cause I've been waiting for that truth untold in my life. That's why I press for more. Don't know what I've been through, but I keep my head high, just high. And that's why I say confirmation.
We're here right now, and we're done with the shoot. This place is so amazing.
This place is beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Kasoa is beautiful. Hey, you might be lied to.
Yes, and then I don't really know the name of this river. Do you know the name?
It's called River Densu.
Is this River Densu?
Yes. And so it starts from somewhere in the central region and goes all the way here and ends it joins the Volta Lake.
At Akosombo.
Yes, it joins the Volta Lake at Akosombo.
This is so amazing.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Guys, take a look at this.
Finally we made it, yeah. Finally we made it, and nothing holding us back. I give a big one to my dead ones. Finally we made it, and nothing holding us back. We show them we don't fake it. Finally we made it, and nothing holding us back. So we told them finally we made it, yeah. Finally we made it, yeah. I give a big one to my dead ones. We show them we don't fake it. So we told them finally we made it, yeah. We made it, yeah.
Finally, we've made it.
Guys, we ended the video here. This place is so amazing, right?
It's so beautiful.
So beautiful. Is this River Densu?
Yeah, this is River Densu. And so it starts from somewhere in the central region and goes all the way here and ends at Akosombo.
Finally we made it, and nothing holding us back, no.